welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government initiates legal action to cancel lease of 40 mines allegedly allowed by the Congress government. Government to announce mine policy within 2 to 3 days. Government may appoint an administrator on Goa State Cooperative Bank. Government awaits reply from the bank, threatens of strict action if reply is not satisfactory. Won't allow any leader to resurrect back insulted without any blessings. Mickey thunders in head-on, says he will suggest SIT in drug mafia case. Postgraduate medical student to practice as consultants in state-run hospitals and health centers for a year. Government makes the service mandatory to tackle crunch of doctors. And government should act against unrecognized sports association in interest of young sportsperson, appeals Raju Mangeshkar. And now the news in detail. Government has initiated legal action to cancel lease of 40 mines illegally condoned by the previous government. Mines Minister Manohar Parrikar stated that notice will be served to leaseholders and action will be taken. Vijay Sardesai and Alex Regina Lawrence had questioned the government's policy on mine lease renewal. Chief Minister clarified that government will announce the policy within 2 to 3 days. He made it clear that renewal of leases will be decided considering the mandatory certificates for the renewal.
In the previous PSC report, आमचो तितून एक mine आहले हांव नांव घेना 5951 in this mine irregularities note केल्ले असल्यो आनी irregular mines आहाय काय ना.
A file has been already moved to cancel leases of 40 mines which were supposed to be have listed in the PSC report, which was not tabled on the house. But since I was the originator of the report, I already moved a file for cancellation of 40 leases granted during Congress regime. I can assure you that all 40 will be considered on merit. I underline the word merit, on legal provisions.
I understand that the law stipulates that applicants will have to apply for renewal 1 year before the expiry of the lease. It also means that all this is nothing to assist the mine owners to continue without EC and approved mining plans. My supplementary is, when will these renewal applications be disposed of? Within how much time?
कितें तरी चुकीची गजाल घडलेली आसा, and from my side we are coming to conclusion that in a definite time frame all these leases either has to be rejected or renewed. So we are waiting for mining policy because it is a part of the policy. Another 2 days you have to wait. You will know exactly what is the time period we are fixing for ourselves. आमच्या पुरतो. आणि दुसरे म्हणजे स्टॅम्प ॲक्ट आहा पळय तोय पास जावचो पडटलो. तो पास जालो, तो नोटिफाय जालो की टाइम टेबल सुरू जातले आणि म्हाका दिसना की अंदूच्या फायनान्शियल इयराच्या पलीकडे वतले अशें. Even if the lease is granted or lease is not granted, environment clearance is a must. You cannot do mining just because you have a lease. I can assure you that during the current financial year, the exception will be reversed. म्हणजे एखादी खंयची तरी एक 2, 4, 5, 6 बी उरल्यो कितें टेक्निकल कारणा खातीर जाल्यार गजाल वेगळी. ह्या करंट फायनान्शियल इयरान डेफिनेटली ह्यो सगळ्यो लिजी रिन्यू जातल्यो किंवा रिजेक्ट जातल्यो.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Government may appoint an administrator on the Goa State Cooperative Bank. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar hinted this in the Assembly on Monday. CM said that government is expecting a reply from the bank by Tuesday evening on alleged irregularities in the election process of the bank scheduled on 19th of this month. However, if the reply is found non-satisfactory, the government may opt appointing an administrator to save investment amounting to crores of rupees. Subhash Pardesai had raised the calling attention motion on the election process of the bank.
गोंयाचे भितरले सगळे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट हे गोवा स्टेटी कडेन आसा इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवन इन्व्हेस्टर्स जावं डेपोजिटर्स जे आसात जे आमची एपेक्स बँक म्हणून आसा जे एपेक्स बँके कडेन आमी म्हणटात की ही जी आसा ती आवय ह्या बँक ह्यो ज्यो सोसायटीज कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटी आसतल्यो हजारभर सोसायटी दे आर लिंक्ड टू दिस अपेक्स बँक एंड वेन वी कॉल द अपेक्स बँक इटसेल्फ इज अ इट इज गवर्न बाय मल्टी स्टेट हे आसा आनी ताका दर्जो कसो मल्टी स्टेट दर्जो आसलो जर जाय जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट बी अपेक्स बँक ऑल्सो बिकॉज इफ इट इज गवर्न बाय सेंट्रल रजिस्टर एंड वी हॅव लॉट ऑफ डेपोजिट्स इन इट एंड वी ट्रीट इट एज इट इज अवर अपेक्स बँक जाल्यार हें अशें जावपाक शकता काय कितें?
स्पीकर सर, नाबार्डचो जो पळय इरेग्युलरिटीचो रिपोर्ट आसा ह्या बँकेच्या विरुद्ध ज्या लोकांचेर गंभीर आरोप आसा हांच्यांनी जर इलेक्शनाक उबे रावंक जायना म्हणटात जाल्यार ज्या जाग्यार आर्थीक वेव्हार चलता त्या जाग्यार अशे लोक कशे चलूंक शकतले ह्या बाबतींत हांव स्पश्ट आसा. त्यामुळे हांव तुका इतलीच गजाल सांगता की गोंयकारांचो गोंयच्या कॉपरेटिव्ह सेक्टराचो आनी कॉपरेटिव्ह भितर इनवॉल्व आशिल्ल्या लोकांचो इंट्रस्ट तकलेन धरून सरकार ज्यो कितें भुमिका पण एट द सेम टायम आमकां भितर खूब इंटरफियरन्स करपाची इच्छा ना. आमचें म्हणणें अशें आसा की ताजेर एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर घालचो. जर समजा तांकां बऱ्या भशेन इलेक्शनाक येवपाक जमना योग्य लोकांक फुडें हाडपाक जमना जाल्यार एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर घालचो. कारण जवळ जवळ 1000 कोटी लोकांचे भितर इनवॉल्व आहा. इलेक्शनान इरेग्युलरिटी आहा म्हणूनच नोटिसो येयल्या न्हय. इरेग्युलरिटी सगळ्यो इरेग्युलरिटी आयल्यो जो सांगता त्यो इरेग्युलरिटी आयल्यो आनी त्यामुळे आमी जी नोटीस दिल्या ताजें उत्तर फाल्यां सांजचे 5 पर्यंत मेळूंक जाय हांचें नाजाल्यार सरकार कारवाई करतलो हाचेर.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट मीडिया.
Miki Pacheco has warned that he will not allow any leader to resurrect insulted without his blessings. He was speaking in our weekly program Head On. He also revealed that he might suggest a SIT to investigate drugs mafia nexus. Miki is heading a House committee probing into this case.
मनोहर पर्रीकाराक क्रेडिट दिना परिवर्तनाचे
सी
आपल्या आपल्या आपुणूच म्हणटा
ना आपुणूच म्हणटा तुमी सोदूंक जाय सगळे टॉप लिडर सावथाचे कोण उडयले बीजेपीन उडयले. आय स्टार्टेड टू वर्क very long time against this. There are MLA who was not even dreamt that they'll get elected in South. They got elected because of Miki.
पळय जेन्ना तूं आतां प्रोब सजेस्ट करता हाऊस कमिटीचो चेअरमॅन म्हणून जेन्ना स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटा प्रोब सजेस्ट करता पुलीस बिकम्स द बिगेस्ट मशिनरी नाल्यार तुका जुडिशियल प्रोब सजेस्ट करपा जाय. What is the option you are looking at?
There are few police officers. I will identify. I will also speak to the chief minister, who is
Home Minister.
Also Home Minister. I'll give him a few names which I have trust and put my evidence before him.
So you are kind of proposing a special investigation team?
Yes, very much.
Complete special investigation team with complete freedom?
Very much.
And you will hand over all the evidences to them?
Very much. Very much.
That is the direction you are taking?
Yes.
कोर्तालेचे तुवें सांगलें की तुजेर प्रेशर आशिल्लो तुका ऑफर दिली विफी म्हणून. असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाचो पयलीं प्रेशर आयिल्लो. GVPची कितें सालसेती पुरती उरतली काय भायर सरतलो? मिकी कितें नुव्याच उरतलो?
हांव सद्याक नुव्या रावतलो. म्हाका कित्याक दुसरें
सद्या आनी काय प्लॅन ना?
सांगूं जायना न्हू.
5 वर्सांनी पळोवया.
5 वर्सांक आनीकूय म्हजी मतदार सांगा तुमी सचमत हिंगा नुवें आहा हिंगा फातोर्डा आहा हिंगा मारगांव आहा हिंगा बेनावली
कितलीं जाणां पिवन येता?
कोर्ताली
कितलीं जाणां भेश्टायता असो?
ना तुमी सचमत हांव मोदी आहा हांगा आनी सोबत म्हजे सोबत सगळी कॉन्स्टिट्युशन कोर्ताली आहा नुवें आहा फातोर्डा आहा मारगांव आहा लोतोली आनीक आमचे नुवें आनीक बेनावली आहा. सो म्हाका सगळी कॉन्स्टिट्युशन लागता. सी आय हॅड अ ऑफर before the by-election of Kortali. Congress personally came to me and said, Miki, we'll clear all these cases, income tax and CBI money laundering case, we'll clear it off. I said that is the duty bound to clear it off because it was not done by the BJP government, it was done by Congress government and it's your duty to support for their candidature.
Then why did you support Congress?
I did not support because I'm not guilty. Why should I bow them? I'm not under their mercy.
Bureau Report Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.